What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. Dub Digital, crypto news, macro trends. Give me a subscribe if you guys like that fire tea I bring you every single day on your favorite altcoin. Breaking it down to you. I got y'all. Let's get it. We got that KNC. KNC's for me. What am I doing? I don't know. Let's get to it, guys. But before I zoom in, I want to show you the monthly. It's my loud ass dog. And I just want to show you guys so you don't get lost for the trees and forget to see the forest. So it's more or less been respecting the trend lines and it's been lifting up just so you guys can quickly see that our trend has been changing since the beginning of this year in 2020. I'm going to put a perfectly horizontal line right here and you'll see there's an obvious inflection where one side of the chart was going down, the other going up. No real denying that. Now, will this thing do something totally unexpected, unprecedented, and just break through these lines like there's no rules in charting? Crypto's been known to do that, but I don't think it's something to bet on. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you why as we zoom in. Okay, here was the previous chart that I had put out for you guys in my last previous videos. Pocket here is what I was calling an air pocket, and there was like a danger zone of yellow. Well, we actually came back down and filled that yellow zone all in and dipped below into the red pocket somewhat. But here's the good thing, guys. While we did think KNC was on the verge of a breakout before it got pulled down by the rest of the crypto market and Bitcoin and all that, KNC really hasn't moved that far since all that commotion. We got coins down 30%. We got coins down more than that. And KNC went down 10% and quickly bounced off of that trend line on the bottom here. I guess caution area turns into the air pocket, right? So that's a good thing to see. We're coming back down to kind of retest to see if this thing holds true. But hey, this thing's holding up great, guys. It's one of the cryptos that's been holding up the best in my opinion. I've been watching this thing over the last couple days too. Okay, look, if you fall back down, the next area of support is where this wick is. You see that right here? And the top of this structure. That is approximately 16 to 17% where we are currently. Is there some downside to this? Yes. If it breaks out of this trend line, like we've been seeing trend lines getting broken like it's going out of style, yes, this could fall down another 17%. But the good news is, guys, comparatively speaking, comparing to other altcoins, compared to cryptocurrencies as a whole, KNC's doing pretty damn well, okay? I can't ask an altcoin that's not Bitcoin, I can't ask it to do much more than this. Let's be real. This thing's holding up like it's Bitcoin-esque, okay? So take it how you take it, but notice this too, guys. There hasn't been a great increase in volume, selling or buying. There's been a little more selling than buying, but there isn't any huge candles happening. One, these were whales. These were people with concentrated amounts of KNC trying to influence the market, make it dump, do something. But look, why would they do that? To buy at cheaper prices, to get profits and buying it back at cheaper prices right before a run-up, right before this trend line maybe increases? Perhaps. Even if this thing falls down, KNC is holding up, man. I like it. All right, guys, so the ADL, the advanced decline line, that's the amount of unique buyers participating in buying and selling of the asset. Okay, we have a slight dip down. So that indicates to me there's less people holding KNC, using KNC, buying and selling it. So how far will this drop in ADL go to? I'm not sure. Maybe to about here. If that happens, then there will be more selling pressure. But of course, selling pressure doesn't equate to price change. Price change happen when there's selling pressure and no buying pressure to match it. So far, what we've seen was down 9%, up approximately 9 or 10%. Look at that green bar. Now we're selling down. We zoom in and look, we have another green bar coming back up. We're not even touching this right now. The body touched this trend line here, then the wick of the sell body touched it here, and now we're not even touching it. So time will tell, guys. If you're looking for an entry point, this is not financial advice. Doing your research, y'all are adults. But barring the potential for crypto to just plunge and everything get decimated, and at that point, technicals, nothing, no kind of charting really saves you. It's like the emotions of the market running wild. You can't predict stuff. That's why you always have some money on the side that you could put in case this thing just tanks. But I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying it might happen. I've seen people trip before. Right here, my mind, not a bad place to pick up. If it drops lower, this is a better place to pick up. But at that point, you broke the structure. And I might not buy at that point, right? Because if you just break a structure and there's no clear line of support that you've been tracking before, this might be a good line, but I wouldn't buy here then. I'd wait for it to drop. We show the price respected trend line driven. We're showing some decrease in ADL, but hey, we got to monitor that. Coins may become more and more discounted depending on what happens in the next few days, coming weeks with the stock market and all that. I mean, hey, I wouldn't be mad picking some coins up here. Y'all do whatever you gotta do, make the decisions best for you, but I like this chart. I see a lot of charts are red and KNC has a minimal amount of red, so I gotta respect that. But KNC, I was talking highly about this one prior to all this market madness, and I'm not gonna change it up now on you guys. Guys, that's all I got for you today. KNC, great coin. The chart looks pretty good comparatively speaking to other altcoins that are bleeding all over the place. Got blood on my hands from all these altcoins bleeding on me. KNC, one of them. It lost some, guys, against Bitcoin, but hey, what is it? It's holding up. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's doing more than I expect an altcoin to do right now. Only down 9% when there's coins down 30, 60%. Got nothing to complain about that. Hope you all enjoyed that. Give me a like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the content on Dub Digital. Crypto news, macro trends. Talk to y'all later. Peace.